Good morning, Honorable present here. Myself, Dr. P. Janagaratnam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous video series, I already discussed about the different topics of machines, IC engines, reciprocating engine mechanisms, and the different inversions of mechanisms. Today, I am going to discuss about the cams. What is meant by cam? Types of cams and followers, and what are the basic types of cams and followers are available in our mechanical field and are discussed lately. So first of all, what are cams and followers? Actually, the rotary to linears, the cams convert the rotary motion into linear or oscillating motions through the precisely shaped profiles, which means the cam which will provide the rotary motions, which means we can rotate the cam from 0 to 360-degree. Automatically the follower moves through the upward and downward direction, so automatically we are giving the rotary motions which will be converted into linear motions. See, motion transfers, follower traces the cam profile, translating its shapes into a controlled movement, widely used in engines, manufacturing machines and automation systems. So this is the different applications of cam and followers are used in our mechanical. So types of cam by shape, based on their shape, the cam will be classified into different types. First one is for radial or disc type cam, cylindrical cam, wedge or translating cam, conjugate cam, and globoidal cam. This is the based on the cam profile, it can be classified into different types of cam. Based on, for example, if we are taking the cylindrical cam, means the follower moves parallel to the cam axis. Wedge cam means the cam moves linearly the profile on one side, and the radial cam means the follower moves perpendicular to the cam axis. The conjugate cam means two cams keep together driving two followers for precise control. Okay. So roller follower, the cylindrical roller reduces the friction, ideal for heavy loads and high speed applications. The flat faced follower, this is the different types of followers. The flat faced followers are flat contact areas withstand the side thrust, perfect for the tight spaces. So types of followers by these shapes, it can be classified into the roller follower, spherical follower, knife edge follower and flat faced followers. Basically, we have to choose the knife edge follower, the sharp edge for precise motion for the experience high wear and stress. If we are taking the spherical follower, means rounded contact surface, and the roller follower means cylindrical roller reduces the friction, ideal for the heavy load applications and the high load applications. Flat faces follower means the contact area is flat and it will be used for in tight spaces. This is the different types of followers based on their shape of the uh, so follower movement types. So this is the different follower movement types, like reciprocating follower moves back and forth linearly following the cam rotation. Based on their cam rotations, the will be moves back or forth to the linear motion. And the common in valve mechanisms and piston drives, it may be useful for an reciprocating mechanisms and IC engines. It will be moves through the either forward or retraction motion. And oscillating follower swing back the fourth of then arc motions. It converts the rotary to oscillating motions for the lever system. So radial follower moves along the axis passing directly through the cam center, provides the symmetric motions and balanced forces. The used forces will be completely balanced. The next one is for offset follower, moves along the axis offset from the cam center line, reduces the side thrust and improves the mechanical advantages. This is the follower line movement of the different followers. So this is the generally for the cam and follower types. The cam will be an cylindrical or the elliptical shape. The follower, for example, the knife edge of the follower will be supported in that cam. So based on their cam rotations, the knife edge or follower will be moves through the back or forth through the linear motions. Okay. So this is the roller type, this is the knife edge type, this is the flat faced type. So what are the Why these types matter means the roller followers, it can reduce the wear and it will be used for an heavy duty engines like stationary IC engines, industrial machinery, high speed automation. Knife edge followers are precision motion. The knife edge of the follower only touches with the cam, so it will be rarely used in the modern systems, historical valve timing applications. And flat faced followers axles where space is limited and side loading are high, which will be common and compact engine designs. And radial versus the cylindrical cams, it will be used for an automated machineries and the CNC equipment. Nowadays the CNC equipments are implemented in the most of the manufacturing sectors, so then only the automations is mandatory for reducing the human effort. Wherever we are using the CNC equipments, these types of radial and cam cylindrical cams are used for doing the or converting the motion. So this is the choosing the right cam and follower. So cam shape, it can define the motions, and follower shape affects the performance, and movement type stylus functionality. So while we are considering the design of cam and follower, the cam shape and the follower shape and the movement of these types are the important design parameters for making this kind of right cam and follower choosing process. So this is the overall summary of this today's video series. So cam mechanism, what are all the cams, what are all the different types of cam, and what are the different types of followers, how we are selecting the cam and follower for their application basis and all. Next, this is the sum of the assessment question based on these questions, and this is the sum of the reference followed to make this kind of PPT for the types of cam and follower. Thank you. Next video series I have to discuss about the one more interesting topic. Thank you.